Hello everyone, and welcome to our podcast. Today we are starting a new episode where we answer interesting questions from internet and discuss scientific topics in simple and engaging way.
And today's topic is microorganisms in everyday life, from food production and biotechnology. We will talk about how microorganisms affect our daily lives and why they are important in science and the industry.
So let's begin.
Let's start to answer interesting question from the internet. And the first question
from Ed Wilson. If the number of microbial cells in a body is of the same order as that of human cells, how much of my weight is microbes?
That's true. The first question was maybe if microbial cells are about the same number as the human cells, microbes make up only a small part of your body weight.
So most microbes are very tiny compared to human cells. In an average adult, all microbes together weight about 0.2 or 1 kilogram. For a person who weighs 70 kilogram, this is around 0.3 of body weight. Can microbiologists identify common bacteria by smell, or do bacteria mostly smell the same?
Oh, it's an unusual question.
Yes.
Maybe some bacteria make different smells when they grow, and this happens because bacteria produce chemicals.
I want to give some examples. So, for instance, a wet soil can smell bad because bacteria grow in warm and wet places, and dumpster or wild vegetables can also smell strong because bacteria break down food.
Oh, okay.
My friend is Dr. Aigerim, and I'm very happy to be here.
And my friend is Professor Aikumys. Before we begin, let me ask you a question. What exactly is microorganisms?
That's a very good question, Aigerim. And microorganisms are tiny living organisms that cannot be seen without microscope, and they include bacteria, fungi, and viruses.
Interesting. And microorganisms harmful to humans?
I think that not at all. In fact, microorganisms are very useful. They help in food production, medicine, and agriculture, and also environmental protection.
Okay, let's answer the third question. It's about food production. Can you give me examples of microorganisms used in food production?
Of course, Dr. Aigerim. Bacteria are used to make yogurt, cheese, while yeast is important for baking bread and producing some drinks. So microorganisms are involved in fermentation, right?
Exactly. Fermentation is about one of the oldest technologies in human history. For example, people used microorganisms thousands of years ago, even before they understood microbiology.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, I want to know how the microorganisms help the environment.
Some bacteria can break down waste, oil spills, and dangerous chemicals, and therefore they are used in wastewater and wastewater treatment and environmental cleaning projects.
Okay, what about agriculture? Before answering the question, let's watch the small video about agriculture.
What kinds of genetic modifications are there for crops? Well, there's crossbreeding, which has been around since humans began to farm. Faster and more precise is genetic engineering, which allows scientists to copy a gene with a desired trait from one organism and put it into another. More recently, methods like genome editing give us more targeted ways to create new crop varieties.
So, Dr. Aigerim, it was the most amazing video that we ever seen.
What did you understand in this video?
In this video, I understand that microorganisms improve soil fertility and help protect plants from disease. Because of this, farmers can grow healthier crops and plants. And my question for you, what new technologies are connected with microorganisms today?
Maybe researchers are using microorganisms to create biofuels and biodegradable plastics, and also these innovations may help to reduce pollution in the future.
Yes, Dr. Aigerim, exactly.